Quality One, we realize that you own one of the world's finest driving machines, and we want to be the shop that helps you keep it that way. We employ certified master technicians, and we are so confident in their abilities that we back their work with an industry-leading 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. And we're AAA approved. That's right, at Quality One we give you a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on any repair that we perform, as well as a Napa nationwide warranty. And we make it easy for you by providing a courtesy shuttle and making loaner cars available when needed. We wash your vehicle and make sure all your fluids are topped off every time. If your brakes are squeaking, grinding, or just not stopping as well as they used to, we know what to do. We always use the highest quality brake materials to give you long-lasting stopping performance and peace of mind. Come see us today. We'll inspect your brakes to make sure you and your family are safe. Do you have a check engine light or mill light on? That doesn't mean it's time for maintenance. It means that your vehicle's onboard computer has detected a problem. It's very important that you get it tested and repaired as soon as possible before costly engine or catalytic converter damage can occur. Taking care of problems quickly will always save you money, and we believe in saving our clients money. We maintain 100% customer satisfaction rating on an independent survey. Have you noticed that your gas module performance has diminished? It may be time for spark plugs, engine maintenance, or a fuel injection system cleaning. We are your performance specialist and can keep your baby running like new. Maintaining your vehicle can save you as much as 50% in annual vehicle cost. It is always less expensive to maintain the vehicle than it is to fix it, and it's always more convenient. Don't forget, our repairs are warranted at more than 14,000 locations across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Transmission fluid is a key component in the operation and lifespan of your transmission. If the fluid is good, the chances of a problem are virtually non-existent. Transmissions are expensive to replace, so it makes sense to make sure that your transmission fluid is in excellent condition. At Quality One, we make it convenient for you to maintain your vehicle with a customer shuttle, loaner cars, and inexpensive rentals when necessary. And we wash your car. If all you need is a routine oil service, no problem. We can take care of that. Using a quality filter and the right oil is very important to the overall life of your engine. No cheap filters or oils at Quality One, only the best for you and your vehicle. All of our services come with a 92-point courtesy inspection performed by a certified technician that knows and understands your vehicle. We do this so that you can have the peace of mind of knowing that your vehicle is in great shape. And don't forget to mention this video when you come in. If you're a new customer, you'll save $25 off your first visit. Is it time for a new timing belt, or have you seen spots on your driveway? Has your temperature gauge been running a little high? No worries. We're your maintenance and cooling system specialists, and we can perform any service or repair that may be necessary to keep your vehicle running like new. Have I mentioned our excellent warranty? Of course I have. Do you hear a squeak, rattle, or clunk? Does your vehicle handle soft in corners or take a little more ground to stop? Call us today. We can take care of all your steering and suspension needs and get your vehicle back to tip-top operation. Are you having an electrical problem that nobody can figure out? We can. We're the electrical specialists for the Inland Empire. Is your air conditioning just not as cold as it used to be? Does it take longer for your heater to warm you up in the winter? We can diagnose and repair any air conditioning or heating problem you may have. We know your vehicle and will fix it right the first time and on time. Come in today and have a cookie and some refreshments in the cleanest automotive service center you'll ever see. Come and see why our customers love us. Why come to Quality One? Excellent service, certified technicians that know your vehicle, an industry-leading 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty and a nationwide warranty. $25 off your first visit if you're a new customer. Your vehicle done right the first time, on time. 100% customer satisfaction. We make it easy to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape. We maintain your vehicle and reduce your overall driving costs. We care about you and your vehicle. We're looking forward to meeting you soon. Come in and meet Scott and Steve. Or just give us a call at 951-296-1222. Thank you for your time and have a great day.